So you want your nails done, but you don't want the heavy price tag? I have something for you. These are Luxie press-on nails. I'm gonna show you how to apply them so that they last and they look really seamless. You'll get a prep pad, you'll get sticky tabs if you want a shorter wear, you'll get a wooden manicure stick, a nail file, and the glue. So if you wanted to wear them for 2 weeks, this is what you would choose. First step is to find the correct size for your nails. Place them gently over your nail and make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall. This is super important because if you choose a size that is too small for you, they will end up popping off and or your fingers might ache. After you size your nails, you're gonna put them in front of you so that they're easy to access. In the meantime, it's time to prep your nails. You're gonna take your cuticle stick and push back any of your cuticles, any of that dry skin that you might have around the cuticle area. The prep process is super important because if you don't prep correctly, your nails could pop off. Next, I take the nail file and get into the sidewalls and cuticle area of your nails and try to get a really good buffer on that area so that your nails get a good seal. And that way, as they grow out, it minimizes lifting. You're gonna take the prep pad and wipe off that dust and any oils or anything that might have been left over on your nail beds. Now you're ready for the fun part, and that's putting on your nails. I like to cover my nail evenly with the glue and grab the press-on and apply 1 full drop to the base of the nail and swirl it around so that it fully covers it. Line it up with the cuticle like this and press down and hold. I'm gonna hold for about 20 seconds so that you prevent getting any air bubbles. Here's one hand, let me do the other one and I'll be right back. Here are the nails, what do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and decide to try them for yourself because look at how good these look. In 2025, we are not paying hundreds of dollars for our nails, especially when we can get results like this at Sally Beauty. Bye!